Hi, how are you all doing? I hope everything that you desire shall come true to you all. In this video, let us watch and learn the atrocities committed by multinational giant corporations and ultra-rich billionaires. It will be a hard video to watch. It will make your conscience tremble and shake. You will feel the miseries caused by these atrocities directly affecting the livelihood of hundreds of millions of people. How it cruelly prevents nations to serve their citizens. You may even doubt humanity. Let's go to the video. Tax cheating and looting of mega corporates. 12 trillion US dollars. INR 880 lakh crores. How many trillion dollars did big multinational corporates evade in taxes and looted? The answer is around 12 trillion US dollars. That is 880 lakh crores in Indian rupees. The estimate is done by International Monetary Fund. Don't you think this is daylight robbery? The health budget of India in 2021 is 2.23 lakh crores. With a few assumptions, this globally looted money can make India have the same health budget for 495 years. Isn't this cruelty? Isn't this inhuman? What is aspiration? What is insatiable greed? So what is the solution? Can the world fight effectively against this daylight robbery? Can the agony and deaths of hundreds of millions of humans who are depraved because of this daylight robbery be stopped? First, a few things to know. What is G7? G7 is a forum consisting of richest nations in the world like Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom and the United States. This time the head of G7, the UK, invited India, Australia, South Korea, South Africa to the summit as guest countries. Its members are the world's largest advanced economies and wealthiest liberal democracies. As of 2018, the G7 accounts for close to 60% of global net wealth. It is 317 trillion US dollars. That is 23,255 lakh crores in Indian rupees. The population of G7 nations is about 77 crores or 10% of the world's population. Most members are great powers in global affairs and maintain close economic, military, and diplomatic relations within them. What is IMF? The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, promotes international financial stability and monetary cooperation. It also facilitates international trade, promotes employment and sustainable economic growth. It helps to reduce global poverty. The IMF is governed by and accountable to its 190 member countries. What is tax haven? How it seriously and cruelly affects 80% of the world population? A tax haven is an offshore country that allows ultra-wealthy multi-billionaires and business owners to deposit money in their local banks. This is to avoid paying home country taxes on profits. These countries offer the benefit of little to no tax liability. The worst part is corporate owners or rich multi-billionaires with enormous wealth do not usually need to be citizens to take advantage of this kind of tax loophole. Yes, you heard that right. You need not even be their citizens.
As a result of this tax haven structure, giant corporate owners and enormously rich multi-billionaires pay little or even no taxes on their profits or personal finances. It helps politicians and people with considerable influence or criminals, drug dealers, terrorists, and extremists to safeguard their wealth. Other shocking facts. India is losing over US $10.3 billion, that is about 75,000 rupees crores in taxes every year. It is because of global tax abuse and cheating by giant corporates. It is also due to tax evasion and cheating by ultra-rich multi-billionaires. The social impact of the lost tax is equivalent to 44.70% of India's health budget. Almost 50%, friends. What is happening? It is equivalent to 10.68% of education spending. It also equals paying yearly salaries of over 42.3 lakh nurses. All is lost by this inhuman act of greediness. FedEx and Nike avoided US tax liability for 3 straight years. What a shame! 26 Fortune 500 companies paid no federal income tax for the last 3 years. Transparency Campaign says Amazon, Facebook, Google, Netflix, Apple and Microsoft paid fraction of US tax rate for 10 years, thereby cheating several million people of their right to live with dignity. The big 6 US tech firms have soft cheated $100 billion tax over the past 10 years. In Indian rupees, it is about 7.3 lakh crores. Cheating on taxes is done by multinational corporates and the multi-billionaires. They cheated the world of $427 billion a year. That is about 31 lakh crores Indian rupees. These entities shifted their enormous profits of more than $245 billion, which is 18 lakh crores in Indian rupees. In an even worse scenario, they shifted $138 trillion, which is 10,000 lakh crores in Indian rupees, to tax haven countries with lax or non-existent corporate laws. Data indicates that private mega wealthy rich multi-billionaires paid $182 billion less in tax than they were supposed to. That is 13.5 lakh crores of Indian rupees. It is done by storing financial assets worth more than $10 trillion in tax havens. That is cheating of 733 lakh crores in Indian rupees. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and other ultra-rich multi-billionaires have paid zero income tax in some years. The bombshell report is by New York-based journalism non-profit ProPublica. It showed Amazon chairman Jeff Bezos paid no income tax in 2007 and 2011, while Tesla chief Elon Musk avoided all payments in 2018. 25 richest Americans paid little to nothing in federal income taxes. Their combined wealth is $17.7 billion. That is, they had looted 1.3 lakh crores in Indian rupees. Multi-billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and George Soros benefit from a complex web of loopholes in tax code. This tax evading and cheating is worth $744 billion. It is 55 lakh crores of Indian rupees. That's all, folks. This is the end of part 1 of the series. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was interesting and informational. See you later in part 2, guys. Take care and always keep smiling. Cheers.